create a connected app, you need to go to setup, connected apps. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, menu. What happened here? Apps. If you scroll down, you have a connected app. If you scroll down, you have a connected app. So click on create. Connected app name, I'm mentioning connected app name is, and this is not our environment. Our environment is different and this environment is different. You can see it is app 8.salesforce. This is different instance, right? All the way. This is a new org, okay? Hello. This is a new org, okay? So Salesforce to Salesforce. So I'm creating a connected app and I'm providing my email, Prasim Salesforce@gmail.com. Contact phone number 998697340. Icon URL and is everything is fine. Enable OAuth 2 settings. So you need to click on enable OAuth settings. We need to click on OAuth settings. Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. And callback URL is this is a standard and we need to enter the same thing. HTTP. Yes. Colon. Login.salesforce.com. Login.salesforce.com/service /services /OAuth, OAuth spelling correct, right? OAuth, OAuth 2 slash call back. This is a standard that we need to memorize this. Callback URL is a standard HTTPS login.salesforce.com/services/OAuth2/callback. Okay. Whenever user comes, it provides a username and password of this callback URL. So it will gonna authenticate to a system. It will gonna authenticate to a system. Hello.
Yes, Deepak.
Yeah. And then you need to select access your basic information, ID, profile, email, address, and phone. And then you need to select API data. Access and manage your data through API. Access and manage your data through API. And then we need to give a full access to an integration. So I'm allowing full access. And then whenever you logs in, he will be getting a refresh token. Security token that you need to enable these four. What are the four things that we need to enable? Access and manage your data. Access your basic information, ID, profile, and email address, phone. Full access and perform request on behalf of any time. Okay? Clear?
But
Yeah.
what is it called? Given that is standard URL, right? We have to remember that.
Sorry?
Callback URL. That is standard URL.
This is a standard for a Salesforce integration. Each and every integration have their own callback URLs. For a Salesforce, callback URL is login.salesforce.com/services/OAuth2/callback. Okay? And we need to mention on which user this need to run. I'm mentioning one of my user called SFDCBA is a integration user. Let's suppose this is my integration user SFDCBA. Okay? And then save it. Continue. Continue. Now allow 2 to 10 minutes to change. You have security token. This is a customer secret and customer client. Customer secret and customer client. Using these two, you can able to log into a system. Using these two values, you can able to log into your system. Using these two values, you can log into your system. What is this? 1 minute. This message will go off. Until then, we can't proceed anything. Any other questions you have from any other topic? Meanwhile. Any other? Okay, I think we are good. No. Session management, session settings. Security. Token for API, require security token. Save. My settings. Setup. My settings. Reset my security token. Reset my security token. Reset my token. Yes. Gmail.com. Okay, here it is already. So I'll go back. I got my security token for my user. Okay, this is my security token. Now go to setup. Session settings. Sorry, I modified unwantedly. This is not needed. Security. Required login API token. Save. So what is our class that we are using generally? What is that URL that we are using? This one here. Let's see. What is that URL? Login.salesforce.com. VA underscore, okay. VA underscore 47 at gmail.com. So this is my source. AP8 is my source. AP8 is my source. So now I'm going to press in. I'm just logging to my source mission. Now don't get confused. One URL with BA47 is a URL which is my source. From here I'll gonna call my AP8 system. The other organization, okay? There are two guys, you there?
Yes.
Yeah. There are two different missions. AP8 is a one mission, one organization, and BA47 is another organization. So now I need to call my AP8 organization. Now I need to call my AP8 organization. So now what I can do here is developer console. I'll create one Apex class. I'll create one Apex class. Account here. Let's not worry about this one. New Apex class. REST class name is REST authorization. REST authorization. Public static void do login. Do login is my method name that I am saying here. The first thing I need to know string. I need to have my username. What is my username? This is my username for the another organization, right? This is my username. And then what is my password? String password equal to Salesforce @123, and then the security token, and then the security token also followed. You need to use security token also. Okay, password plus security token is your login password. String endpoint URL. What is endpoint URL here? This one. Endpoint URL is this one. So you don't need all this till salesforce.com. Till salesforce.com is your endpoint URL. Clear? What we have? We have username, password, endpoint URL, and then we need to know string customer key. From where you will get your customer key? From the connected app. From the connected app. Go to apps. Go to apps, and you can find your connected app. Customer key you have, right? This is a customer key. This will be auto-generated by Salesforce, not by you. This will be auto-generated by your Salesforce. Semicolon. And then what you need? String customer secret. And where we have this one? Again, customer secret. Click here to reveal. So this is my customer token. These are the access information that we would be needed to log into any mission. First, we need to do in two different steps. First, we need to send HTTP. First, we need to create HTTP method, and then we need to do HTTP request. Whatever the method you are creating, you need to pass through HTTP request so that it will authenticate to a target mission. So now I'll generate my string HTTP body. We need to define our body first. Whatever I'm writing, these are a standard that we need to write in the same way. We have a type called grant type equal to password and client underscore ID equal to plus what is client ID? We need to pass customer key. Client ID is a customer key so that it will understand which connected app it need to connect, plus client CLIENT client. Correct me the spellings please if I'm doing wrong. Secret equal to plus your customer secret.
హలో
Yeah.
అన్న అది కస్టమర్ కి కదా నా కన్స్యూమర్ అనండి
అర్థం కాలేదు.
కస్టమర్ కి
No.
కన్స్యూమర్.
This is just a variable name in Apex class.
ఓకే.
See, let's say ఇక్కడ కన్స్యూమర్ కీ అన్నాను కదా. కన్స్యూమర్ అంటే ఎవరు? దీన్ని యూజ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, అవునా? కన్స్యూమర్ అంటే ఎవరండి? దీన్ని ఎవరైతే యూజ్ చేస్తారో వాళ్ళు కన్స్యూమర్స్ అవుతారు, అవునా? ఇది ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాను అక్కడ. కానీ ఇక్కడ నేనేంది వేరే సిస్టంలో ఉన్నాను, అంటే ఇంకో సిస్టంలో ఉన్నాను, BA47లో. ఇక్కడ నాకు అతను కస్టమరే కదా. సో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ వీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద టెర్మినాలజీ. కస్టమర్ అంటే ఏంటంటే నా టార్గెట్ మిషన్ ఒక ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ది. అతను చెప్పేటప్పుడు కన్స్యూమర్ అంటాడు, నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు కస్టమర్ అంటాను. Password, client ID, and then single quotes and username equal to what is the username that we have here? We have username, and then single quotes and password also we need to enter, right? And then password equal to plus big URL हो गया. So whatever I'm entering is a standard. Any API call, if you are calling from a Salesforce, this is a URL you need to fill. Grant type equal to password, client ID, customer secret, client secret, username and password. This is the pattern that you need to follow. And then what I need to do, as I mentioned earlier, what I need to do, I need to create my HTTP method. I need to create my HTTP. It's straightforward, HTTP. This is a standard method. We have target equal to new HTTP. We created our method, right? And then we need to create our request. HTTP request spelling correct, right? HTTP request request req equal to new HTTP request. I created an instance for an HTTP request. Now I need to set a body. req dot set body. Where is our body now? Here, HTTP body. I passed my body. And then what I need to do? Request dot set method. We have a method. Which method? First we need to post. We are sending information from here, right? In yesterday also in Workbench, what we did, when you are passing information to a Salesforce, we use post method, right? In Workbench, what method we use to create a new account and all this? Post method only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So here I'm posting my information. That is what I'm sending here. URL I'm posting. And request dot set endpoint URL. We need to send an endpoints correct, right? Set endpoint, your endpoint URL, your domain name plus we need to use this one, services dot auth2 / token. There we use a callback, right? There we use a callback while creating a connected app. Yes or no? Services auth2 callback, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Here I don't want to use callback because I need to get a token here. Login token. Credentials. Login token. See. REQ, right? Okay. REQ. So this is what done. And then HTTP response. HTTP response res equal to. We need to send information now. Target dot send. We need to send a request. We need to send a request to the system. Now I'm gonna display system.debug. Nothing. I'm gonna display res. Say res. What is happening here? req set end endpoint. I asked you to correct my spelling. endpoint. Yes. Now I'll try to call this method. Control A, Control V dot do login semicolon. Call out unauthorized endpoint. So what is saying? Whatever the URL you are using, right? You are going outside of the Salesforce instance, yes or no, from Apex class. You are calling some other URLs, right? Even though this is a Salesforce URL, but they will be treated as it's a third-party URL. So for that, what we need to do, you need to set this as a, you need to set it in a remote settings, site settings. You need to go to remote site settings, new remote site, Salesforce. You need to keep that endpoint URL here. Got it? You need to declare this endpoint URL. That's it. Now if I click a login, now it is sending information. It is sending information. Now we got output. What is status code? 400. Why it is a bad request? It is not logging in. It is not logging in. Something went wrong. It is not logging in. It is throwing an error. RES dot bad request. Why bad request status equal to 400? 1 minute. Salesforce at the rate 123. Save. I'm just checking it out. Controlling, execute. RES dot get body. Controlling, execute. Everything is correct today. Something we missed. Debug only. Authorization invalid grant. Okay, authorization is the one.
నా పాస్వర్డ్ 123 కదా సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ ఎడిట్ లైన్
1 2 3. You got it, buddy. Yes, 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 yes. Controlling, execute. Debug only. Session ID. Now we got successfully login. Now you can see it is sending a response. Signature. Signature in the sense whatever the user is logged in, right? It will be under this security token now. Now it got accessed or not? It went to the environment and is giving a return ID, SSE and all this stuff. Let's say salesforce.com and type bearer issued at this one, signature and everything. So we successfully authenticated the mission. We successfully authenticated our target environment. RES dot this one. Let's save. Control E, execute. Debug only. Now you can see status okay. Status code 200. If you got a 200, it means that you successfully integrated your system with the target mission. Now, actually what we did, we didn't integrate it. We logged into the system. What we did it, we just logged into the system. Hello. Hello. There or not there? As now what we just logged in. We just logged in. After that, what we need to do, here we have a security token, right? Get body. In get body, there is something which is removed. That is more important. It will not gonna display. If you start writing a system.debug, this will not come up. If you start writing a security token, that session ID is removed, right? Access token. Using access token, you need to send your information to the target mission. How to do that now? How to do that now? How to do that now? So for example, let me say I'm doing straight away here. Okay, I'll explain, but we'll get an idea what to do. That what? Send information to target. Send information to target. Now what again we need to do? HTTP request. Send request equal to new HTTP. Again, we'll come back and we'll discuss why we are creating this. So we need to have HTTP request again. First we logged in, and then we need to send a information request 1. So let me say I'll create one string new AC equal to, how to create a JSON generally, this one, right? JSON, within double quotes you will provide name colon rest from BA47. This is my JSON file, right? This is how we created JSON file yesterday. You remembered? Flower braces open and we provided name, right? Hello? In Workbench, how we created? Guys, so silent हो गया यार. Utilities REST Explorer. So while creating an account, we said subjects / account, and then we provided cover braces open, and then we provided double quote name colon, and then we said test rest, and then we send execute. So it got created. So the same thing I'm created, instead of doing like this, I'm doing in a single line because we are writing inside code. So this is what I'm doing even here. So I'm trying to create an account which is REST BA47. req1 dot set header. We need to set an header. Authorization type. What is the authorization type? We got it here. Bearer type. We got bearer type. Authorization. Spelling please. Authorization. Comma. BARER. Bearer. Please. Request body. From here I need to get a access token. From here I need to get a access token. How to get an access token? Now let me create new class, affix class OAuth2 is my class name. Okay. I'll create one global variable, just a global value is public string ID get set public string issue underscore yet get set public is instance underscore URL. Nature these names should match as same as the one you are getting from a output. So what we can do here, what to say what to auth equal to, this is a conversion type that we need to have. JSON dot deserialize is a function we have. res dot get body comma command2 dot class. Missing semicolon string. Okay. access token. So I'm consuming my access token here. I'm consuming my access token here. See, here I got my access token from this request. The first login, I got my access token, yes or no? And then I'm converting. This is how you need to create your auth class. You need to create whatever the URL you are getting, right? You need to use the same URL and you need to continue. Hello, guys. Am I audible first?
Yes.
req1 dot set header. Set header. We need to set an header again. Content type we need to mention. We need to mention which type of content we are mentioning. Content type. What is our content type that we are passing here? JSON, right? Application / JSON. req1 dot set header. We need to accept only, even I accept the JSON only, I don't accept everything. So again I am saying that the content whatever I am sending to you is application / JSON. Even whatever I needed is also a application / JSON only. So whatever the response I'm getting from a system, it should be also in the this one. And then req1 dot set method. What method we need to set? Post method. We are sending information to them. Right? What is the endpoint URL that we need to mention? req1 dot set endpoint URL. What is the endpoint URL that we need to mention here? This one, the one you are using, this one. I'm using a standard now. I'm not writing any custom for time being. And here you need to mention your HTTPS, this one. One complete URL, you got it? In that services, data and account object, I need to create a record. In account object, I need to create a record. Now I'll go req1 dot set body. Set body. What is the body that I have here? New ACC. This is my body. This is what I need to send information. Control S. Now I need to create, whenever I call this method, it will gonna create a new account called rest from BA47. Rest from BA47. And then what you need to do? I created my HTTP request. Now what I need to do? I need to call my HTTP response. How to call my HTTP response? HTTP response res1 equal to send request dot send request dot send req1 semicolon system dot debug res1 is res1. HTTP response. Okay. Command S. Now whenever I call this method, now it will gonna create a new account here saying that REST API, REST from BA47. So I'll try to execute again. Execute. Refresh. You got it? You got account got created? Yes or no? Hello?
Hello, yes, sir.
It is created from which object? This object only, right? Hello? So how many ways, I mean, here you need to remember two things here. First thing is that you need to log in first. First you need to log in. You will get access token. Using that access token, you need to send your body information. 2 times you need to call to the same server. First time to log in, next time you need to send an information. For timing, I wanted you guys to create